Alright, look at that. Back together again. And all the lights work again. Nice and bright. Update from the last video, which was a while back. I did get the windows tinted. These ones, the front ones are tinted too. And the back one's tinted. Still need to go get the windshield tinted. And it's not going to get tinted dark, just enough. But once I get the piece for this right here, start working on it. Do have plenty of stuff to do around here. I cleaned up a while back. I gotta get some trim pieces to go around the outsides of the doors. Try to seal those up. And some along the bottom to seal that up too. And then I gotta do something about the little hole we're having up there. Another one over there. But that's in due time. Can't get everything done. I have a full-time job I have to deal with. But until next time, we get this car at the shop and go back to the house and eat. I'm hungry.